In this video, let us discuss fundamental rights. Article 15. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. There are two provisions in this article. A. State shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Here the word only plays an important role because discrimination on other grounds is allowed, like reservation for women, reservation for OBC, SC and ST and reservation for economically weaker section if the state feels a group is underrepresented. State here means central and state governments. B. No citizen shall be discriminated on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. With regard to access to public restaurants, shops, places of public entertainment, wells, bathing gardens, roads maintained by wholly or partially out of state. Exceptions, for example, you cannot enter into a private property without the permission of the owner. That does not subject to discrimination. So Article 15 is not absolute. There are some exceptions like positive discrimination, that is reservation by state. State, if it feels certain group or sector are underrepresented, the state for advancement of certain groups can provide special provisions and reservations which does not amount to discrimination under Article 15. State can provide special provision for women and children and reservation for advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens, including OBC, SC, STs and admission into education institutions, whether aided or unaided by the state. But minority institution is excluded in this case. Minority here means religious and linguistic minorities. State can provide any special provision, that is reservation for advancement of any economically weaker section of citizens, that is reservation given to economically weakened section other than OBC, SC and ST, which was introduced in 2019 by amending the constitution and inserting the provisions into Article 15 and 16 by 103rd Constitution Amendment Act 2019. Case study: Janny Tabain vs. Union of India 2022. Supreme Court held that 103rd Constitution Amendment cannot be said to breach the basic structure of the Constitution by permitting the state to make special provisions including reservation based on economic criteria. Hence, constitutional validity of the 103rd Constitution Amendment Act 2019, which provides for 10% reservation to economically weaker section, has been upheld by Supreme Court. Thank you for watching this video.